Hey there, it's Amy from Pretty Purple Door, and I just want to tell you a little bit more about my mood board workshop. So, the biggest problem that I see with a lot of home gardeners is that they go into gardening without any sort of plan to make their space unique or really think about those details. So, what this mood board workshop is going to do is it's going to give you a crystal clear vision for your garden. So, in the workshop, we're going to be covering how to actually create a garden statement. And the garden statement is what sets this mood board apart from any other collage of really pretty pictures. So the statement is going to give you all of the details that are going to make your garden unique. It's sort of like a Mad Libs style where I'm going to give you statements and then we'll talk about the statement and then you'll fill in the red parts of the statement. And it's going to be interactive and you can ask questions along the way. This is the absolute first time I'm doing something like this. So it is kind of a once in a lifetime opportunity. Depending on how it goes, I may or may not do it again. But we're going to talk a lot about what makes a good mood board, lots of examples showing you different reasons why different photos will go together so that you can get that really beautiful aesthetic look, but also have it be functional so that you can either DIY your garden yourself or you can go into a landscape design firm and have them turn this mood board that you've created into a reality for you. And then you're also going to get all of these beautiful templates to choose from so that you can just drag and drop your images into this. I'm also going to provide some printable versions. So in case you're not super tech savvy or you'd rather do it by hand, you can print them out. I think it's going to be so much fun. I love this type of thing and I can't wait to help you to really get those ideas out of your head and into your landscape and finally get started. A lot of people ask, what is the first step to all of this? It's so overwhelming. This workshop is exactly what you need. This is the first step. Once you do this, then you can go on to planting and designing, but you really have to get crystal clear first about what you want in your garden. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So I hope to see you there.